Okay, let's see if we can solve this type of a problem. 48 kilogram person runs across a raft 4 meters per second, causing it to move backwards at 1.6. What is the mass of the raft? My approach to problems always is first look for the interrogative word. What makes this a question? What is the mass? So that tells us what we're looking for is mass. Now what I encourage you to do is look for the other pieces of information that you have. I see I have a 48 kilogram person, that's also mass. Running across the raft at 4 meters per second, that's velocity. Causing the raft to move backwards at 1.6 meters per second, that's also velocity. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a diagram of this. Drawing the pictures is one of my favorite parts of doing physics problems. So here's my raft. Let's have a little bit of water for realism. Oh yeah. Now let's go ahead and have a person on that raft. Alright, let's see. Here they are. And they're running this way. Look at them go. So what we've got then is the person is 48 kilograms. I should probably label my units. They are running this way at 4 meters per second. I don't know what the mass of the raft is, but I know that it is moving the opposite direction, courtesy of Newton's third law, at 1.6 meters per second. And what I'm trying to find is the mass of the raft. So it seems to me like the thing to do in this case is, since I have mass and velocity, I'm going to use the equation m1 v1 equals m2 v2. That's a terrible 2. Let's try that again. All right. And so what we've got then is basically the momentum in this direction equals the momentum in that direction. So in this case, this momentum here of the person, the mass times velocity there, will equal the mass times velocity there. Let's go ahead and get out a calculator and try this. Now all I have to do is, now that I know what equation to use, I'm just going to substitute in the values I have. So we're going to assign the person to be m1. So the mass of the person is 48 kilograms, and the velocity that the person is running at is 4 meters per second, and that's going to equal the mass of the raft, which is what I'm looking for, times the velocity of the raft, which is 1.6 meters per second. All I have to do now is divide by 1.6, and what that will give me is the mass. Now, give me a second to get out my calculator, and it looks like that equals 120 kilograms.